Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naimah Altidore, and I just want to come on here and make this simple, quick, raw, and unedited video to say thank you so much for subscribing. I logged into my YouTube account today and noticed that I have 100 subscribers. I am so thankful and so very appreciative of all the subscribers, and oh my gosh, this is so amazing. And honestly, when I started my YouTube channel, I did not expect to get in 20 or whatever. I'm like, you know what, let me just start and just see. And to see that I have 100 subscribers, a little over 100 subscribers, I'm like, oh my god, I was screaming. And I just want to say thank you so much for all of you, excuse me, who have subscribed. And oh my gosh, I've been away on vacation and well, back to back, and I haven't been able to post anything. So I'm like, you know what, let me make this quick video and just show my gratitude to you guys. And I want to say thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're new here and watching this, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, I have a mommy and a baby next to me. She's pregnant. Once she's able to turn, then you can see her big old belly. She's pregnant right now. Oh my gosh. And then across is some cows. There's a bunch of more horses here, and there's some cows and some chickens, and it's just a little bit of everything here. But anyways, I've been away, and once I'm back to home, and then I could go ahead and start posting my regular days. And I want to say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Look at this. Oh, so cute. You gotta love nature, man. Look, oh, they're standing on my palm. Wait, hold on. Wait. How you do this? Oh my gosh. How you do this? There we go. Wait. Did I get it? No. Oh, there we go. And closer. Right there. Boom. There we go. Rest on my palm. But anyways, thank you guys so much for subscribing. And I mean, this YouTube. Oh. It's going. Oh, where are you going? Come back. Come back. Jack. Was it the movie Titanic? Oh, what was her name? Oh my gosh, what was her name? Rose from Titanic, when she was telling Jack to come back. Come back! No, when she was the ship, when the ship was going by, when they were towards the end, when she was in the water, and then they were looking for survivors. She was like, come back, come back, come back. Come on, horse, come back. Don't go. Now this one I want you guys to see. Oh. I want you guys to see. She is pregnant. She's been popping it. She would get pregnant, give birth, get pregnant again. She's been popping it. Oh, come on, it's moving now. Come on. Aww. Okay, you guys might not be able to see her big old belly, but she's pregnant, all right, about to pop. Aww. The other one is also her child. But anyways, I just want to come here again and say thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate all of you that subscribe. And oh my gosh, this journey has been amazing. Like, I really enjoy YouTube. I was told to try YouTube years ago, but didn't really. And it had to be when I wanted to, in my time. And I did, and I'm glad I waited. And because the reason why I'm glad I waited is because it means more to me, and I actually enjoy it. Who would have known? I don't know if I would have enjoyed it when people was telling me to do it, but the fact that I waited to do it when I wanted to do it, it makes it more enjoyable, because it's something that I wanted to do, not because people saying, oh, you should try YouTube. But oh, what did it do? I completely missed that. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you. This is going to be super raw and uncut, so yeah. Can't wait to get back and put some new content out for you guys. Yeah. Silly. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, and I will see you as always in the next video. And if you're watching this, again, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Say bye, horse. Okay, see the horse saying bye. It's a way of saying bye. All right, bye, guys.